Weakened, frail, or immobile wheelchair users often do not have the physical ability to sit properly in their chairs, or the wheelchair itself offers insufficient support from hammocking sling seats, or are oversized for the resident. These issues can cause the pelvis to rest in a neutral or posterior pelvic tilt, and the user's buttocks to slide forward on the seat. This can result in sacral sitting that places contact pressure on the sacrum and ischial region, leading to skin breakdown, falls, poor sitting tolerance, and loss of functional abilities. Starting with a stable, flat seating surface is optimal for function and a key component in helping to reverse poor posture and the dangers of sacral sitting. Adding a wedge-shaped cushion top can help limit forward sliding by keeping the hips positioned slightly lower than the knees, promoting an anterior pelvic tilt and subsequent upright sitting posture. AliMed Sit-Straight Cushions are a simple and effective all-in-one positioning solution that combines a stable seating surface with a wedge-shaped cushion. The convex base design counteracts the negative effects of a sagging sling seat by filling the sag area without modifying the wheelchair in any way, or raising the height of the surface, while the wedge top limits forward sliding and maintains hips at 90 degrees for optimal postural support. Not only does that help reduce pressure on the sacrum and coccyx, but aids in better breathing, increased head control, and improved independence while freeing caregivers from continuous repositioning. AliMed offers a full line of sit-straight wheelchair cushions, each designed to meet the unique positioning needs of your patients. Visit alimed.com/cushions-positioning to learn more.